Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can turn off the iOS update on your iPhone. It's very easy and very simple. What you need to do is just go to the settings here, and after going to the settings you can see that there is a general option here. Just tap on it, and after going to the general option there is a option of software update. Tap on it, and you can see that there's an automatic update option. You need to turn it off. If you want to turn off the iOS update notification which you are getting, just turn off all of these options, and after doing so you won't be able to receive any notification of iOS update, and your automatically updates are turned off. What else you can do is, if there's any update which is installed into your phone, what you need to do is just go to the iPhone storage here, and just scroll down and just look after the app or things that the last iOS or update which have installed. You can simply delete over this, and it will make your phone work exactly like it was working previously. So that's how you can turn off the iOS update and remove any update application which is downloaded into your phone. So thank you very much for watching the video, and if you have anything else to ask, please let me know. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.